Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day. Since we're talking about edible stuff, today's word is pomidor. Pomidor. Guess what? You will never hear anyone saying pomidor. Everybody will say pomidor. Pomidor is simply tomato plant. The reason you see pomidor, that's how you write it in Azerbaijani. Let's see some phrases. Fresh tomato. To grow a tomato. Təzə POMİDOR. The reason you see here fresh, because təzə can mean also new in Azerbaijani, but since this is a food, you gotta use fresh tomato. So make sure you remember for edible fruits, things you will see təzə, but you will also see like new clothes, you're gonna use the word təzə, all right? To grow, yetişdirmək. To grow a tomato, pamidor yetişdirmək. Let's see some sentences. Before I move to sentences, the reason you see pomidor in writing and you say pomidor, it's because it's a loan word. It's come from Russian, and technically Russians also took it from Italians, because remember when they brought it from the Americas, the sort of the tomato was yellow golden tomato. So technically it means pomodoro. I believe it should be like golden apple. That's the word comes from. Now we call it pomidor. We write it pomidor. Let's get back to it. Salat üçün təzə pomidor doğradım. I chopped a fresh tomato for the salad. Salad, salat. Üçün for. For the salad, salat üçün. Təzə, obviously fresh. Doğradım, I chopped. See, you don't see man in Azerbaijani version. Why? Because the action word doğradım, it already signifies it's I'm the one doing it. Let's see another sentence. Mən bağçada pomidor yetişdirirəm. I am growing a tomato plant in the garden. Again, if you want to sound super native local, simply say bağçada pomidor yetişdirirəm. Now, bağçada in the garden, small garden, small yard. At the bağça, garden, in the garden, bağçada. Yetişdirirəm, I'm growing. Mən bağçada pomidor yetişdirirəm. That was today's word, pomidor. You can use it in some fun ways like, did you know that people used to think pomidor was poisonous back in 18th century? And this is true. I believe that's because the plates, the metal type of plates, utensils they were using, and they were getting into some chemical reaction because tomato is technically sour, and then that was causing some poisoning. So that's why they were thinking it's poisonous. All right, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to come back tomorrow for a very fresh word. It's gonna be yummy word. But until then, check masterazerbaijani.com for more.